Starting around 16 October 2023, for the most part, Spell Really token truly is exchanging at $0.00048264 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they in a real sense thought. Spell sort of has a very complete market cap of $51,838,432 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,220,399, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. This especially makes sort of Spell genuinely token, Spell, in every way that really matters, positioning at 368 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Spell kind of symbolic cost forecast finish of 2023, what will basically Spell truly token basically be worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is really Spell exceptionally token and in every practical sense, wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, or so they sort of thought? Will generally Spell cost basically outperform its unequaled sort of high in a sort of significant manner? These really are basically Spell token cost expectations for Spell's future in an unobtrusive manner. Spell commonly token, Spell, value expectation 2023, as per the Spell pretty symbolic estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Spell cost truly is supposed to basically cross a truly normal value level of $0.00056821, the normal most certainly least value worth of especially Spell truly token, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to sort of be $0.00054935. Truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, generally Spell can especially arrive at in every practical sense, most extreme value level of $0.00059828, or so they certainly thought. Spell genuinely token, Spell, value gauge August 2023. The Spell fundamentally token, Spell, cost for August 2023, may truly arrive at a really least worth of $0.00045274, while the especially most extreme estimated cost basically is around $0.00050934, or so they explicitly thought. The very normal cost for the most part Spell by and large is especially anticipated to fundamentally reach $0.00049519 in August 2023, which truly is very huge. Spell value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of really Spell especially token fundamentally is gauged to sort of be at around an especially least worth of $0.00049142, for the most part. Further appearance, how explicitly is explicitly Spell, sort of token and in every practical sense, wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which all things considered, is very huge. The Spell genuinely token value worth can generally arrive at a really limit of $0.00052914, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.00051500 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Spell certainly token, Spell, value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of in a real sense Spell truly token truly is fundamentally anticipated to generally arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0.00053045, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.00054974 and at least $0.00051158 in an especially significant manner. Spell in every way that really matters, token, Spell, value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, basically Spell all things considered, token cost generally is figure 2 for the most part, arrive at a flat-out least cost of $0.00052749 in an unobtrusive manner. The Spell cost could sort of arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $0.00057096 with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.00054636, which truly is genuinely huge. Spell truly token, Spell, value gauge December 2023. The Spell sort of token, Spell, cost for December 2023 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of $0.00054935, while the very most extreme determined cost truly is around $0.00059828, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The very normal cost for especially SPEL certainly is generally anticipated to reach $0.0005681 in December 2023, or so they basically thought. SPEL exceptionally token sort of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been fundamentally diminished by 0.6% in its truly current worth, exhibiting that generally SPEL genuinely token, SPEL, value estimate December 2023. The SPEL commonly token, SPEL, cost for December 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a by and large least worth of $0.0005495, while the really greatest determined cost for the most part is around $0.000598828 in an extremely significant manner. In the event that we certainly look at the kind of current market cap of the SPEL with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, exhibiting that in a real sense SPEL all things considered, token, SPEL, value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of generally SPEL in every practical sense. Token is truly anticipated to for the most part arrive at an in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.000549774 and an exceptionally least of $0.000511158 in an unpretentious manner. SPEL fundamentally token truly is confronting a by and large tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in a huge manner. The SPEL basically is down to nearly 1.79% in the absolute most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for kind of past essentially couple of days. The coin could sort of have areas of strength, for essentially however, we don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in kind of present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of by and large SPEL diminished by 39.168%. Wiping out an incredible especially normal amount of $0.000310076 from its by and large current worth, showing how in the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the SPEL token cost expectation end of 2023. What will in a real sense SPEL especially token generally be by and large worth in 2023 in a quite huge manner? This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase, a potential open door for in every practical sense, speedy interest in an unpretentious way. The 90 days cost change truly is near 34.51%, and the cost explicitly circled from a genuinely least sort of typical cost of $0.0006842 to especially greatest normal cost of $0.0007448 in the exact beyond 90 days, which sort of is very critical. SPEL truly token by and large is somewhere near 11.88%, with the greatest sort of typical cost of the coin truly was around $0.000544640, and the very least truly normal cost of sort of was